Hey, you guys, have you ever noticed a little switch that's on the fan? Do you know what that switch is for? Well, we're going to figure that out. So this switch right here is the switch that I am referring to. Now, this is for the direction of the fan. If you switch it one way, it goes clockwise. If you switch it another way, it goes counterclockwise. So that switch provides two different settings. The first setting is clockwise, which means the fan will pull the air up, and you would want it on clockwise if you're going into the fall. So for the fall and the winter. And the second setting would be counterclockwise. Now you would want to put your fan on counterclockwise when you're going into the spring. So for the spring and the summer. And during this time, the fan pushes the air down. Thank you guys for continuing to watch these videos. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow. See you guys next time.